Welcome to Webstar Plus. Staying informed about a variety of subjects that interest us can be quite the challenge. We have been using feed readers to get latest updates from around the web, but the speed at which information now arrives can make it overwhelming. So, how can we consolidate and streamline this process, ensuring we receive all the updates we want from websites, blogs, and platforms like YouTube? All in one place. What if we could have updates about our chosen topics delivered straight to our inbox? Well, here is the solution for this modern day information overload. It's Google Alerts. This service allows us to handpick the topics we are most interested in and receive a steady stream of email updates from across the web. This valuable free tool provides consistent updates daily, delivered right in the email. You get the links to the latest popular news, videos, topics, and updates, but only those that you are interested in. Let me show you how. Log into your Google account, go to google.com/alerts. Add topics of your choice. For example, let's say I am interested in Vue.js. I will add this topic here. You can select the options. Update frequency as it happens once a day or once a week. Sources automatic, news, blogs, web, video, books, discussions, finance. I will choose automatic. You can select the language, select region, select results, only the best results or all results, select delivery email address, and then hit create alert button. And here is the alert. That's it. Here is a pro tip. You can use Google Alerts to find jobs in your area as well. Just create alert like JavaScript developer jobs and choose your country or region. You will receive latest job alerts in your email on daily basis. Now, depending on selected preferences, you will get the updates on selected topic. From alerts settings, we can also choose if we want individual email for each topic or updates about all the topics in single email. If we select digest, we will be able to receive all alerts in one email on daily basis. Receive all alerts in a single email. Okay, let me show you how the updates look like. Here it is. I selected one topic and here are all interesting updates for that topic for today. Like we ask ChatGPT how to break up with someone. Will ChatGPT replace psychiatrists from Psychology Today? ChatGPT find this much US dollars. World's first ChatGPT powered voice recorder. Snaps to your iPhone, records calls. 5 most overrated Colorado attractions according to ChatGPT, and so on. You can click at these links to get more details. Of course, Google knows what's trending, interesting, and fresh. So, as a digital marketer, blogger, vlogger, or content creator, you can use Google Alerts free service to stay updated on each topic that interests you. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.